Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Backyard Shenanigans video. Have you, do you, would you sow old seeds? Join me in today's video where I share with you my experiences, my plans, and ask you the question of sowing old seeds. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 2025, but as you can see by this picture show, I have seeds from 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and I even have a pack of unopened seeds from 2014. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the old seeds I have and share my waste not, want not plans of how to get the most of my purchases. Stay tuned until the end of the video where I possibly have a special treat for those who don't mind old seeds. I'm going to start off with my 2021 seeds, and all of these are seeds that are open and I still have at least a few seeds left. Out of these seeds, the broccoli, cabbage, cantaloupe, cucumber, okra, the cherry tomato, and the watermelon, the last time I planted these seeds, I believe in 2024, I had good germination from all of them except the cucumber and the okra. But that could have been my bad, so I plan on trying them again in 2025. I have 2 sets of 2022 seeds. These 3 packs I actually got from a seed swap, I believe in September of last year. I haven't grown any of these yet, but the red acre cabbage is something I am really interested in growing. And I did have partial luck with corn last year, so the bicolor My Fair Lady corn is definitely on my 2025 list. Now this group of 2022 seeds are where I went ham. I mean, I must have shopped everywhere, but mostly Dollar Tree, Home Depot, and probably Lowe's, maybe a couple other local spots. If you recall in a previous seed haul video, maybe in December or January, I decided to reorganize all of my seeds. Instead of listing them in alphabetical order, I decided to divide them by month to sow. And I'm going to try that this year, y'all, but it's February 1st and I'm already behind. I'm in Southern California, zone 10B, now 11A, and we have very mild winters. The lowest that I've seen it get, like in the deepest, darkest, coldest night in January, is probably about 35 to 38 degrees. So these vegetables that I picked for January and February, I think they'll be okay. For March and April, I'm thinking about herbs and beans, even some tomatoes and watermelon. Some seeds take a long time to germinate, and normally I direct sow, but I think I'm going to do more starter cups and starter seeds. So I need to get these seeds in the cups early. Now it could be that I get a little spoiled with this year-round planting weather, but sometimes I still do plant stuff a little bit early. Sometimes you still have to wait, especially when you're planting everything outside with no greenhouse, no protective covering, no special equipment. Y'all, sometimes I just gotta wait a little bit later on. In many areas of the country, July and August is all about harvesting before everything gets dried up and destroyed by the heat. But here in Southern California, I'm still even sowing seeds. Some things like the warm weather, I'm all for it, y'all. In September and October, it's still hot here in Southern California, but I know I need to get my winter seeds germinated and going now so they'll be nice and strong and healthy in the cooler months. This is the time where I'm planting broccoli, cauliflower, some of the cooler herbs, and other plants like that. But y'all, this past year in October, I sowed a tomato seed. In November and December, the temperatures are starting to cool down, but we still get up to the mid 70s even at this time of the year. But I do focus on some herbs, a lot of leafy greens, my onion, my garlic. I'm trying to eat all year round. Now, I don't have near as many open 2023 seeds as what I did 2022, but I do have a nice little mix. I see some beans, I have cauliflower, leeks, I even have cantaloupe, peppers, and y'all, I'm gonna be growing a lot of peppers from now on. Unfortunately, I had zero germination even after 2 to 3 rounds of sowing the M.I. Gardner Aunt Molly ground cherry tomatoes, but guess what? I'm gonna try them again. I only had 3 packs of open 2024 seeds, and all of these are from the seed swap I went to, I think that was last September, y'all. But guess what? You see those Megatron jalapeno peppers? Yes, sir. We'll be sowing those this year. And now for the ultimate experiment. 11 years later in 2025, and I better do it soon or I'm gonna have to wait until September or October. I am gonna sow these 2014 burpee spinach seeds. Do you think they'll germinate? Ladies and gentlemen, these are all of the open seeds that I have in my seed collection. And yes, I have many more packs of unopened seeds. But just like my natural hair products, y'all, I'm trying to use what's already open before I open something new. Now, of course, will I open some new seeds for 2025? You know I will. However, waste not, want not is a real thing in my life. Now, I'm going to plant as many of these seeds as I can throughout 2025. But I don't think I could get through all of them alone. Here is my proposal to you. If you are interested in, and I mean seriously interested in, sowing old seeds from as early as 2014 to as late as 2024, I got you. All I need you to do is send me a self-addressed stamp envelope and your choice of up to 7 of these seed varieties. I will send them to you in just those little clear packs, no directions, no instructions, no nothing like that. Depending on how many seeds I have available, you'll get between 3 and 10 seeds. This will definitely be a first come, first serve opportunity, and when I run out of the seeds, I'm out. If you want to, you can list up to 3 substitution seeds. So if I run out of something you initially requested in that first 7, give me about 3 more varieties that you're interested in, and then I'll see what I can do. There are no guarantees with any of these seeds, either if you get them, how many you'll get, or if they will germinate or grow to harvest. However, if you want to take advantage of this opportunity to get you some free seeds for the cost of 2 envelopes, 2 stamps, and however much ink you use to write your address, go ahead and send me an email at healymeans@gmail.com with your request, and then I'll start fulfilling the seed request on February 7th. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it is set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.